Play music.
Using voice commands, you can easily control settings and preferences without having to use the touchscreen. Adjust your cabin temperature, navigate to a destination, interact with apps, and more. To initiate a voice command, fully press the microphone button on the right side of the steering yoke or wheel. In Model Y, press and release the right scroll wheel button. When a chime sounds, state your command, such as
Call Mom. Navigate to the supercharger. Set the cabin temperature to 70 degrees. Open glove box.
To access additional examples of voice commands, say,
Show me the owner's manual.
For more information on Tesla products, subscribe to Tesla Tutorials on YouTube.